think we decided to go for a drive on the wrong day.
Or the right day.
Cool. Can we see anything on this camera out there? Not really.
This guy is just...
Nice. Aye, vey. Behind us. Yeah. Either his brights are on or he has the brightest dims ever. This guy's got 4 lights on. Whoa. You have your brights on right now?
Yeah.
That's cool.
This guy.
I've been waiting for this all year. Seriously? This is like wasn't this like a gravel road or?
No,
it's paved. Can't tell. Well, I can't see. Oh, I can't see anything. This is our last will and testament. He's just gone. There's no lights or anything. Can't see anything. It's gone.
Oh, I can see his headlights.
Oh, I faintly caught them on here. Yeah, there they are. I like zoomed in here.
Oh, gone.
Oh, yeah, I think he turned.
Oh, he's still there. He's going straight.
Are you sure? I'm not seeing him. Yeah, it's beyond my camera and my eyes. So.
Faint lit on the side of the road.
Yes. Indeed. Really? Turn the brights on? Show me this out.
Just
Try not to kill us.
cruise.
Don't use cruise control. Are you crazy?
What?
You're gonna kill us all.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Ah! Wow, that looks crazy. So, Al, where are you taking me?
To the woods to chop you up. Into tiny pieces.